Hey guys, welcome to another Thank Truckers Friday, and this week I'm going to show you around these 4 red beauties. Here we go then, check these out. GigaSpace Actros Ls from Mercedes. We've added light bars, lights, we've put an interior locker system in. With a smart LED strip, we've put a smart TV in that folds down from the bottom of the cabinet. I can't wait to show you around it. Honestly, I just can't. Firstly, how nice is this colour from Mercedes? It is a flat colour, but I really like it. I think it really looks good on the Merc, especially with the smoked badging with Actros L now. I think it all really looks nice together. Obviously got the alloy wheels on there as well, which set the whole truck off. I'm not a Mercedes salesman, but it looks good. So, you know, I've got to say it looks good. What have we done then? Okay, so we'll start with the outside. On the roof, we've got Metec Light Bars with LED side markers built into them. And sitting on those light bars, we've got 2 Strands clear lens beacons, flashing amber, as you can see. They have multiple patterns. We'll just put them on a slow flash just for the purpose of this video, so you don't get too blinded by them. And then sitting in between those, we've got some LED auto lamps, full LED spotlights. DL245s is the part number on those. They give you a nice LED daytime running light, and then also a full LED high beam as well. And that whole bar setup, that's all you're ever going to need, trust me. On any country lane or on any building site that you need those forward-facing beacons on, this setup, that's going to be what you need. And when you've got 4 of them, it's even better. So what we're going to do now, the other things I'm going to have to show you are inside the cab. I want to show you one thing as I climb up into the cab, which is really cool because I'm really proud of how we've managed to integrate our lighting system into the truck's lighting system. And then I'm going to walk you through the rest of the locker system. So meet me by the steps. Okay, yeah, so like I said, we've managed to integrate our smart lighting strip underneath the locker into the system of the truck. So that means as I open the door, the lighting strip underneath the locker comes on, which is really cool because it's colour matched. The LED is a great colour inside the cab. It colour matches well with the locker. It looks awesome. And as we come up into the cab, that also means that we can use the factory lighting switches or reading light switches to turn our light off and on again at the touch of a button, which is pretty cool, right? Okay, let's have a look at this TV. So here we go then, our smart fold down TV. I have done a previous video on this. You can click here to watch that, but we're going to go through it again just so you guys can have a look. So this is by XTRONS. It's a brand that we've partnered with. It's a touchscreen smart monitor. It integrates with a Freeview box that's built into the lockers. It's also Wi-Fi enabled as well. It runs on Android, so that means that anything on the Android App Store as far as streaming content, you can download those apps, have them right here on your TV in your truck. So your Netflix, your iPlayer, ITV Hub, all that good stuff, you can get that all on here. Also comes preloaded with YouTube pre-installed. So that means you can watch every single Thank Truckers Friday video whilst you're parked up, because why wouldn't you? Yeah, also has various video inputs. So if you're a gamer, maybe you've got an Xbox or a PlayStation in the cab, you can plug that in, play right here on your nice big 21-inch screen. You get this beautiful ambient lighting, which you can change the color of just by touching a button on here. They're all touch sensitive buttons. Like I say, it's all touch screen. You also get an air mouse. So I don't know if any of you think back to the Nintendo Wii days where you had a Wii controller, you pointed it at the screen, it came up with a mouse on the screen. That's an air mouse. You get one of those as well, so you can lay nice and comfortable, point around. You haven't got to get up and touch all of these buttons. You can just use it like a mouse and press the buttons if you want to. So yeah, and then obviously when you're done, you just fold it away. Nice and neat, finish, safe for travel. And it looks pretty neat and complements the locker pretty well if you ask me. Yeah, like I say, Freeview enabled, so you get all of that built in, all of your normal channels. It's a HD screen as well, I should have said that. So HD screen means you get full HD content just like you would at home. And yeah, so that is obviously all coming off our CabStore Locker system here with our LED strip, which we've already spoken about. And you're all familiar with CabStore, I'm sure. Our locker system, especially this GigaSpace locker system, gives you an additional 500 litres of storage behind our lovely roller shutter doors. And behind these roller shutter doors, we have things like microwaves, TruckChef Microwave. Again, you're all familiar with that. We've done lots of videos on TruckChef microwaves, and you can take a look at those if you wish. But yeah, it's the perfect option rather than just having that second bunk where you throw loads of stuff on it. You can securely ensure that the load is all in a safe locker system, and it also looks like it's meant to be here from factory. So that's pretty cool too. Okay, that's it for this video. So thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, click the bell notification icon. That really helps us. It also means that you get notified when we make a new video, and that's really important. And yeah, if you want to see anything, comment below, get in touch, reach out on our socials. There's competitions going on all the time. I'm not sure when this video is going out, but I know coming up to Christmas, you need to be following us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, basically get onto those because you've got some serious chances to win some goodies. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.